Hello my YouTube family and my all friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Beauty Writer. How are you my friends? Do you love crochet and flowers? Do you want to add some charm and coziness to your bedroom? If your answer yes, then you will love these crochet bed sheets in flower pattern. In this video, I will show you how to crochet a beautiful and easy flower bedsheet like chamomile flower, rose flowers, daffodil flowers, tulip, jasmine and many more flowers that will make your bed look like a garden. You will learn how to make the different type of flowers, how to join them together and how to finish the bedsheet. You will also get the free pattern and the video for this beautiful pattern. So please visit my website www.crochet.net. You can easily all patterns and many more patterns download from my website. Crochet is a wonderful hobby that can help you relax, express your creativity and make amazing things. One of the things that you can make with crochet is a crochet bedsheet. Yes, you hear that right? You can crochet your own bedsheet and customize it to your liking. In this video, I will share with you my favorite crochet bedsheets pattern, the flower bedsheets. These bedsheets are made of hundreds of crochet flowers that are joined together to form a stunning and cozy bed cover. You will love how these bedsheets looks and feels. Plus you will have fun making it. So my dear friends, if you like the video, please press the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel and share the video with your friend and with your family because everyone need designing. So sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. And thank you so much guys for your positive feedback in my previous videos. Your positive feedback encouraged me and motivate me to bring more attractive and stylish designing ideas for you guys. I hope you enjoying these crochet bedsheets flower patterns and learn something new. This bedsheet is a great way to add some color and texture to your bedroom and to showcase your crochet skill. You can also make these bedsheets as a gift for someone special. If you decided to try this pattern, so my dear friend, I would love to see your result. Please share your photos and comments with me on my social media channel or on my blog. You can also check out my other crochet video on my channel. And somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you and keep watching.